Let's see. A is cyanide. I am drawing over here. A is ammonia. Fe is the central atom. A is ammonia and B is cyanide. A is ammonia and B is cyanide. This is the cis isomer. 4 cyanide are very close to each other, 2 ammonia are very close to each other, then it is cis, and trans can be drawn over here. Here it will be trans. Ammonia will come opposite direction. Here will be Fe, here will be ammonia, here will be ammonia, and remaining all 4 place in square corner we are having cyanide, 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 cyanide and cyanide. This is the trans isomers of each other. So you can very easily understand that what is the cis isomer and what is the trans isomer. A type ligands are 2, B type ligands are 4. Then ligands are very close to each other, then it is cis. Ligands are in opposite position, then it is trans. We have taken example of A fashion. A means ammonia, Fe means Fe, Sun means cyanide. A equal to 2 ligand to ammonia, Sun mean equal to cyanide, 4 cyanide ligand, and Fe is taken as a metal. So very easy, very simple. Now we are having another topic which is related to octahedral complex compound, but number of ligand will be 3 of A type and number of ligand will be 3 in B type. Will be seen cis and trans, will be said facial and meridional. So how it is from facial and how it is from meridional structure, let's see. It is seen in octahedral only. A type ligand will be 3, B type ligand will be 3, and we are having facial and meridional structure. So ligand A will be 3, A type ligand will be 3, B type ligand will be 3, and total ligand will be 6. So it is seen in octahedral. So how it is from meridional and how it is from facial, let's see. B type ligand 3, B type ligand 3, A type ligand 3, here is the metal, this is facial, or it is to be said cis. How it form face to each other, we can draw the triangle over here. This is the face of each other. This is to be said facial. This is why it is to be said cis, because same ligand are very close to each other, same ligand are very close to each other, so it is to be said, but ligand of octahedral are same, A type ligand are 3, B type ligand are 3, then it is to be said facial and meridional. Now we will form meridional structure. What we will do, just change the place of A and B over here only. Remaining ligand will be at the same place, only A and B will be transferred, and same ligand will come opposite side. So drawing the meridional, metal, changing only two place. This place will be changed. Remaining 4 ligand will be the same place. B will be at the place B. B will be remain at the place B. A will be remain at the place A. A will be remain at the place A. Now B will take place of A and A will take place of B. So here will be A and here will be B. Then you can see that same ligand are at opposite direction. Same ligand are at opposite direction. So it is to be said meridional. It is not facial because same ligand are not having. Here these are the very close to each other. These are very close to each other. Here mix. B and A is mix. Here is A and A same. A and A same. B and B same. But here B is not present. Here A and B are mixed. This triangle, here are not 3A, while in this triangle here are 3A. Here are 3B, here are not 3B, so it is meridional and it is to be said trans because same ligand are at opposite side. Let's see the proper example of cis and trans means facial and meridional. So we are having the example of acona. Acona. A means ammonia. Co means cobalt, Na means nitro. So 3 ligand will be ammonia, 3 ligand will be nitro, and metal will be cobalt. So formula will what? Then formula will be cobalt, ammonia 3, and nitro also 3. Nitro is 3 minus, cobalt is 3 plus, no charge will available, ammonia is neutral. Now we will draw the facial and the meridional structure in this complex compound. Then we are having the facial first. If we are taking A equal to ammonia, A equal to ammonia and B equal to nitro, so we will just manage in place of B nitro, in place of A ammonia, then structure will this. Here will be cobalt. Final. B equal to nitro. So here will be nitro, NO2. Here will be NO2. Here will be NO2. B is nitro. B in place of nitro. A equal to ammonia. Here will be ammonia. Here will be ammonia. And here will be ammonia. So this is the facial isomers. Now we will change only nitro and ammonia place because we have changed A and B place. And we are having meridional structure, then the structure will like this. Here will be cobalt, nitro as it is, nitro as it is, ammonia as it is, ammonia as it is, just in place of ammonia there will be nitro, and in place of nitro there will be ammonia. Same ligand are at opposite side, so it is to be said meridional. We can draw the structure like this. This is not facial because the same are not opposite side. Here the same, nitro same, ammonia same. Here nitro not same, ammonia not same. In place of one nitro there is one ammonia. In place of one ammonia there is nitro. So it is meridional. So it is seen only octahedral complex compound if A type ligand are 3, B type ligand are 3, if all 3 are very close then it is cis, it is facial, and all 3 are not close but same ligand are at opposite side then it is trans, it is to be said meridional. So we have discussed geometrical isomerism in square planar complex compound and octahedral complex compound in square planar. We have taken Petty-Ekl example. In octahedral, A type ligand are 2, B type ligand are 4, then we are having cis and trans, and we have taken the example of a fashion, and A type ligand are 3, B type ligand are 3, then we are having cis means it is facial and trans means it is meridional, and we have taken example of Econa. A means ammonia, Co means cobalt, Na means nitro. Cobalt will be 1 metal, ammonia will be 3, nitro will be 3. Isomerism is facial if 3 ligands are very close to each other. If 2 ligands same are at opposite direction then we are having trans, it is to be said meridional. If number of ligand will be 3, same ligand, total ligand will be 6, and only seen in octahedral complex compound. So kindly revise my lecture. Thank you very much.